Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate your Hey Google option into a Nokia T21. First of all, open your Google application. Next up, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose here settings. Next up, go into Google Assistant and in this menu go into Hey Google and Voice Match option. Now tap here on the switcher to activate your Hey Google. Now you need to give access to your assistant, tap next, and here I agree. And now, how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use, tap continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.